So what we need to do is at the end of just for the mocks, we did some revision on the moles, and we remind ourselves of this equation. The number of moles is the mass in grams divided by the molar mass, and we need to be happy with that. So that was we dealt with how we deal with solids. The problem that we have is how do I deal with things in solution? So if I've got something in water, let's say I've got hydrochloric acid, so I've got HCl aqueous. Now you'll know that we refer to sometimes as being dilute or concentrated. That's telling me how much HCl is dissolved. So if it's concentrated, I know I've got a lot of HCl in the water. If it's dilute, I haven't got too much. But that doesn't really work, that I actually need to know exactly how many moles I have in that amount of water. And the way I do that is through its concentration. And the concentration is measured in, well, it's not that right. It's how many moles are in 1 decimeter cubed of solution. So that's how we measure it. So if I had a beaker which had a volume of 1 decimeter cubed, decimeters you've probably not heard of before. Maybe know how many centimeters cubed.
No, 50 centimeters.
We'll go for 1,000, I think. 1 decimeter is 1,000 centimeters cubed. So if I had a beaker which had 1,000 centimeters cubed, and it had in it 1 mole of HCl dissolved in it, it would have a concentration of 1 mole per decimeter cubed. So the concentration would be 1 mole / decimeter cubed. If we change that, and I now have 2 moles. Oh,
You're still holding it.
okay. Oh yeah. So if I've now changed that to 2 moles of HCl, what will my concentration now be?
2 moles per decimeter cubed.
Yeah. Oh, why doesn't that work? Yeah. I've now got 2 moles in 1 decimeter cubed of solution. So that's how we always work it out. And the units are mole / decimeter cubed. What you want is an equation, really. So can we figure out an equation? Concentration in moles per decimeter cubed is equal to the number of moles you've got divided by its volume in centimeters cubed times by 1,000. And that will give you your concentration, and that's a really important equation for you to learn. So we can rearrange this to find moles. So to find the number of moles I've got dissolved up is equal to its concentration times its volume divided by 1,000, like so. So again, if you're not happy rearranging, if you just learn that equation as well. Right, so let's do a simple example. What's the concentration of this hydrochloric acid, HCl, if I've got 0.5 moles of HCl in 50 centimeters cubed of solution? Let's do my equation. Concentration is mole divided by the volume times by 1,000. The mole is 0.5, the volume is 50, times that by 1,000, and that gets me to 0.5 divided by 50 times 1,000 is equal to 10 mole per decimeter.
100 is 1,000.
Well, that's concentrated. So for this one, how many moles of sodium chloride are there in 100 centimeters cubed of 2 mole per decimeter cubed solution? So I'm trying to work out now moles. So moles is equal to concentration times volume over 1,000. My concentration is 2. My volume is 100. divided by 1,000, which comes to 0.2 mole. Almost always we quote concentrations in moles per decimeter cube, but sometimes they want to, they either give it to you in grams per decimeter cube, you want to convert it to moles per decimeter cube, or the other way round. So how do you convert mass to moles? What do I divide by? Divide by the molar mass, don't I? To get it to that. And to go to the other way, to go moles to mass, what do I need to do? Times by the molar mass. So it's dead easy. It freaks people out when they see concentration in grams per cube. Oh no, how do you do that? You just do this simple conversion. Just find the molar mass of what it is and go over that way. So let's do an example. Okay, so simple example. What is the concentration in grams per decimeter cube of 2 mole per decimeter cubed hydrochloric acid? What's the first thing I need to work out? I need to find the molar mass of HCl. Chlorine is 35.5 and hydrogen is 1, so that gives you 36.5. I found that, so how do I convert? I'm going from moles to grams, so
Times molar mass.
so concentration in grams per decimeter cubed, I multiply by the molar mass. So it's equal to 2 times 36.5, which is 73 grams per decimeter